What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video, I'll be unboxing the brand new 15-inch M3 MacBook Air. I've already uploaded a number of videos on the 13-inch MacBook Air, and I will of course be uploading videos showing you what it's like to play a handful of games on this 15-inch version. Also, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when a new video goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing for this MacBook Air. So here in the UK, it starts off at £1,299, which translates to $1,299 over in the United States. And for your money, you'll get the M3 chip, which has an 8-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, 8GB of unified memory, along with 256GB of SSD based storage. But enough about that, let's crack open the box and see what comes included. So we turn the box around, and on the top and bottom of the rear, you'll find some pull tabs. Now pulling on these and lifting the lid reveals the MacBook Air sat atop. Now if we place this to a side, we get our first look at what other bits and bobs come included with this brand new MacBook Air. So the first thing included with this MacBook Air is our documentation. So firstly, we see our documentation envelope, which reads designed by Apple in California. Now within this, you'll find a number of different pieces of important documentation. The first of these being our quick start guide, which will give us a general overview of the ports and the software elements like the dock and the menu bar. We then find further information on our 1-year Apple limited warranty, along with some regulatory and health and safety details. And behind those, you'll find 2 color matching Apple stickers. The next items included make up our 35-watt dual USB-C power adapter. Now as I say, this comes in 2 parts, so if you are traveling around, then you are able to swap out the plug portion, so you're able to natively adapt this power adapter to work with any international sockets. Also, if you've got the Apple extension lead, then you'll be able to increase the length of this charger by an additional 2 meters. It's also worth noting that with this 35-watt dual USB-C power adapter, that you will not be able to fast charge this MacBook. The next item included with our MacBook Air is our USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. Now this cable has an approximate length of 2 meters. As you can see, it is braided and it also comes color matched to the same color of the MacBook that you've chosen. As you can see, I have chosen the Starlight color. And then of course we've got our MacBook itself. So that'll be it for today's video. Of course, if you are new around here and you'd like to see some further tests being ran on this MacBook Air, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when new videos go live on the channel. If you've got any questions or if there is anything you would like to see further tested on this MacBook Air, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.